everyone. Welcome to Spoken English course day 4. Today's topic is daily activities.
ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಇಂದು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ.
So, let's begin. Welcome to day 4 of our Spoken English course. Today, we will learn how to talk about our daily routine in English.
ಇಂದು ನಾವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak simple English sentences confidently. Learning objectives. In today's lesson, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine, how to use simple English sentences, and how to speak with confidence. Let's get started. What are daily activities? Daily activities are the things we do every day. For example, wake up, have breakfast, go to school, and go to bed.
ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ದಿನಚರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Look at the picture. Listen carefully. I wake up at 6 a.m.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
One more time. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Very good. Now let's learn the next sentence. I brush my teeth.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹಲ್ಲು ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Listen carefully. I take bath.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Say it loudly. I take a bath.
I take a bath.
Very good. After taking a bath, we wear our clothes. We say, I get dressed.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಧರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Excellent. Now it's breakfast time. I have breakfast.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಉಪಹಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಉಪಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
Very good. Next sentence. I go to school.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I go to school.
I go to school.
Excellent. Next sentence. I learn English.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I learn English.
I learn English.
Very good and excellent. Reading is a good habit. I read books.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I read books.
I read books.
Excellent. Now it's lunch time. I have lunch.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat. I have lunch.
I have lunch.
Very good. After school, we return home. I come home.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I come home.
I come home.
Excellent. In the evening, we relax. I relax in the evening.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸಂಜೆ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat. I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
Very good. Now it's dinner time. I have dinner.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I have dinner.
I have dinner.
Excellent. Many people watch television in the evening. I watch TV.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Very good. At night, we sleep. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಲಗುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Repeat after me. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Excellent. Now let's read our daily routine together.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I have breakfast. I go to school. I learn English. I have lunch. I come home. I have dinner. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
This is a simple daily routine.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರಳ ದಿನಚರಿ.
Now it's your turn. Say these sentences. I wake up at. I go to. I have lunch at. I go to bed at. Practice these sentences every day.
ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in day 5.